Welcome to DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. My name's Greg. One of our favorite upgrades that we did was we installed an Oxygenics shower head into our trailer. Now, we do quite a bit of boondocking. Most of it is boondocking, so we're on water conservation. The downfall to the Oxygenic is when we do shut off our water right here at the water control valve, you still get a drip. Now, that drip is cold when you're trying to shower. So I went ahead and picked up another valve for the head. Now this is from KES, and it is a chrome plated brass shutoff valve that has a ceramic disc inside. Now this is a universal half inch with full shutoff or water control, flow control. The kit does come with a little dinky little roll of Teflon tape, which is really neat. That's kind of nice that they actually add that instead of telling you to go get it. And then 2 washers, one for the back side, one for the front side. Install is going to be really easy, so let's go ahead and get that done. Now, we are winterized, so I'm not going to be able to test this out right now, but tell you what, when we're out camping next time, we're going to test it and we're going to show you how it works. So, real simple. I'm just going to unscrew the shower head off, take the valve out, and we do have a gasket in there, so what we can do is go ahead and just reuse that one, and we'll save this one for a spare if we ever have a problem. Go ahead and grab some of this Teflon tape that they provide, and really you almost don't even need the Teflon tape because of the gaskets, but let's go ahead and do it. We're just going to go ahead now. When you're doing this, when you're putting Teflon tape on, you want to go the direction that you're installing the threads, as if you're threading it into a fitting, and you want to make sure that you wrap the tape the same way. That way it doesn't unravel when you're trying to actually screw it into something. Now, we make sure we have a gasket in there. Now, since we've got plastic here, we don't want to go extremely tight, but we want to make sure that we're sealed. Go ahead and set that in place for a second. Come back. Take some more of this Teflon tape. And I always like to start with a clean end. So I'll break some off, and then we'll come back and we'll put a little more Teflon tape here. Now this is not the best quality Teflon tape, for sure, but again, this is just a secondary protection, and it just takes a couple, 2-3 wraps to add that. Now, just go ahead and secure the shower head on. Got her installed. Again, it's a flow control and on-off switch, so we can control how much water we want, or we can completely shut it off. Again, I can't test it right now because the system is winterized, but our first trip out this year, you will definitely be hearing how well this thing works. Can't wait to try it out. So if you guys got something from the video, please hit the like, subscribe, and share. And until the next one, happy camping.